Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nasrin Padasale. So in this video, we are going to discuss about GATE question paper. How was the GATE examination? The last part of the video, we are going to discuss the cutoff for GATE Life Sciences examination. Okay. So first thing is regarding to general aptitude for GATE Excel paper. So this year, general aptitude for GATE Excel paper was little bit hard when you compare with the past years. This year question paper was very hard. That too specifically general aptitude, I'm telling you. When you compare with the GATE PT general aptitude, it was moderate level, but GATE Excel paper general aptitude was very hard. It was not based on the previous year question paper. So those students who had prepared for the general aptitude portion by analyzing past year question paper, I think you might be in stress. Okay. Next, coming to the chemistry portion, the question that I been asked for chemistry portion was that much not tough, or at the same time it is not that easy. It is moderate level only, and it was asked from the repeated year question paper only. And next, I am giving you a few important tips. If you don't have time for preparing for chemistry for GATE Excel paper, YouTube channel will be uploading the exam mapping series or exam last minute examination series for chemistry. You can find some good YouTube channel, they will be uploading you this particular content before 2 to 3 days of examination. So just give a watch the video alone means you can able to clear, because I could able to get this particular thing like nearly 8 to 9 question has been asked from the exam mapping series video. So in case if you don't have any time or if you're having trouble in preparing for chemistry means you can watch that particular video. Next, coming to the biochemistry subject. So biochemistry questions were very easy. 1 mark questions were completely easy only, but 2 mark question that has been asked for biochemistry portion was very tough. Okay, at the same time, numerical answering type questions also very tough. It was most unique question has been asked this year only. At the same time, when you compare the overall GATE Excel paper, nearly a question has been asked on the repeated topic and highly important topic and the expected topic only question has been asked. So that's a good thing about GATE Excel paper. Okay, so numerical answering type question that has been asked for this GATE Excel biochemistry portion alone, it is little bit tough. Okay, next is with regarding to GATE Excel botany paper. So botany paper also very easy only. Only those students who have studied BSc botany and MSc botany, they can tell whether the question paper botany question paper is easy or not. Of course, there are for me it is easy only since I had studied plant biotechnology only. So for me it is easy only. It's not that much tough. At the same time, there were 2 to 3 questions asked in botany is little bit confusing and it is difficult, and it was asked in an advanced level. Next, with regarding to microbiology paper. So every year microbiology paper will be very much easy only. So if you are belonging to biotechnology or microbiology or biochemistry or zoology means just try to take microbiology zoology combination instead of microbiology and biochemistry combination, because for numerical answering type question that has been asked in biochemistry is difficult to solve. So just take microbiology zoology combination. Microbiology is very easy only. So in our child cell I made revision series. From that revision series itself nearly 4 to 5 question has been asked, and all the question has been asked from Prescott book only. That too in inclusion bodies and nearly 2 question has been came. Those topics and all easy question has been asked. Of course, there are 2 questions that are really confusing regarding to microbiology, and here you can able to observe a question has been asked in monkeypox. Since last year India has reported a first case of monkeypox virus. So that's the reason they had asked a question regarding to monkeypox. So previous year and all they'll be asking a question regarding to coronavirus, because at that time point coronavirus in peak. Okay, so if you are coming across few diseases means just pay attention of analyzing the genomic material and how the particular disease has been transmitted, because every year in any question paper, in any examination, any competitive examination, you will be getting the question from that. Next, regarding to zoology. Zoology is easy only. At the same time, many question has been expected only. And developmental biology question that has been asked in zoology was from CSIR examination. Of course, if regarding to GATE Excel paper, many question has been repeated from GATE Excel past year. At the same time, some question has been taken from GATE BT past year. Some question has been taken from CSIR Life Sciences developmental biology portion only. So developmental biology questions are also easy. At the same time, immunology question that has been asked in biochemistry portion also very easy to solve. Okay, and next food technology question paper also very easy for me only. So overall, if you check the question paper for GATE Excel is very easy. So what might be the cutoff? Okay, so I'm just providing you basic details about the cutoff. So in the next video, I'll be making you a complete analysis of cutoff for GATE Excel. So even though the question paper and the thing was easy for GATE Excel, don't think the cutoff will go beyond 40 marks. And please notice GATE Excel is conducted under 5 subjects: botany, zoology, microbiology, biochemistry, food technology. So don't think there will be separate cutoff for 5 subjects. There will be a separate all India rank given for 5 subjects. They will be releasing a single cutoff, and there will be the same all India. There will be a single all India rank over for all the 5 subjects. They will be releasing you the single cutoff, and every other process will be simple only. Okay, don't differentiate between botany, there will be a separate cutoff. Don't think for zoology there is a separate cutoff. For entire GATE Excel paper there will be a separate cutoff. And if you take general category, the cutoff didn't even cross 40 marks and above. The highest ever cutoff was 36.7, which has been reported in the year 2019. So if you belong to general category, if you are having 40 marks and above means, then for sure you will be clearing this GATE examination, because they will be releasing the answer key. So after releasing the answer key, compare your mark response to the answer key, and you don't need to wait till March month. At this time point itself, you can able to calculate approximate mark. So if you are scoring 40 and above means, definitely you will be clearing this GATE Excel paper. In case if you are belonging to OBC and EWS category means, try to have 35 marks and above. In case if you belong to SC, ST person with disability means, try to have 30 marks and above. Okay, because this year question paper was easy, so definitely the cutoff will not go above 40 marks. Okay, the cutoff will be 40 to 43 marks for general category, we can tell, because this time the paper was very easy. If you compare the question paper for GATE PT, it was very tough, but thank God the GATE Excel question paper was very easy. So if you belong to MSc Biotech means, just try to take GATE Excel paper. Don't go for trying for GATE PT. GATE PT is regarding to those students who have studied BTech Biotechnology. Okay, so thank you friends, thanks for watching this video.